Hey, it's Jason, founder of Jason Markk, and today I want to talk to you about our ready-to-use foam cleaner, or RTU foam for short. You know, as much as I love the full cleaning session, I got 2 young kids and I just don't have the time. So this product is quick and easy to use. You don't need the extra bowl of water. It's just pump straight onto the brush, give it a scrub, wipe, and you're good to go. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to use this product on these Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 highs. This pair has the premium leather upper and it's got this really nice buttery nubuck. They're pretty beat. The midsole's got a good amount of dirt and some stains, so we're going to do our best today to bring them back. All right, so let's get into it. The first thing you want to do when cleaning anything really is you want to give the material a good dry brush with a soft bristle brush. So something like our premium brush has this soft hog bristle. It's perfect for that. So all you're gonna do is give the entire surface just a good once over. And what this is doing is just removing any loose dirt, top layer dirt or dust before you apply any solution or wet the shoe. So this has got a nice nubuck. Brush is perfect for that. And what I like about the RTU foam is that it not only cleans, but it conditions. It has a natural conditioning property. And when you maintain your shoe and you just condition the leather, it extends the life of the shoe. So now that I've given it a good dry brush, all you do is take your RTU foam and apply it directly onto the bristles, just like that. And it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. You just start scrubbing in a circular motion. The other great thing about RTU foam is that it doesn't overly saturate the material. Because it's already coming out as foam, you don't need any extra water. So it makes it a lot easier to dry the suede or nubuck and to bring it back. And the great thing about RTU foam is that it's pre-mixed with the precise amount of cleaning solution to water, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just a quick and easy solution. It's a quick and easy clean. So once you've given it a good scrub, you just want to take a microfiber towel and you just want to give it a good wipe. And on the suede or nubuck parts, you just want to take the towel and you just kind of want to dab and twist. And you see that the nubuck is wet, and I know that scares a lot of people out there, but you don't have to worry. You just have to have the right technique to make sure that you bring the suede or nubuck back. So you're just going to continue cleaning the entire shoe here. It's been a game changer. I also use it on more than shoes, bags. I brought my backpack, my head porter bag that I've had for probably 7 or 8 years now. The great thing about our premium brush too is that you don't have to worry about it damaging the material at all. It's got this soft hog bristle, so you can really get in there without the fear of damaging any delicate material. And our microfiber towels are really high quality. We made sure to source only the best. I mean, there's various grades of microfiber, just like anything else. And you want a really good one because, for one, it'll last longer. Our towel, you can wash over 300 times and it keeps its integrity. So now that I've got most of the upper clean here, what you want to do is just let it air dry, and I'm going to show you how to bring back the nubuck as it air dries. While we do that, I want to show you my head porter bag. This bag I bought, I think it was my first trip to Japan. It was 7 or 8 years ago, and I just love this bag. I bring it with me everywhere. Although it's a bit beat, you can see all the little nicks and stuff. I mean, it's still it's in great shape. Like anything else that I own, I want to maintain it the best that I can because it just extends the life of it. And I feel all these nicks and stuff build character, and I like that. Because it's a dark color, you can't really see a lot of the dirt, but I know that the bottom gets dirty because I'm always placing it on the floor. So what I do to treat this bag, this is it feels it's like a nylon. What I do is just like the shoe, I'll dry brush the material first with a soft bristle brush. I know I've wet this, but you can take our brush from the suede kit. It has these soft horse bristle hair, and this works perfect too. you just want to like dry brush the bottom or wherever you're cleaning, right? And then you take the RTU foam and just apply it to the bristles. It's pretty straightforward. And that's the great thing about our products too, is like there's no harsh chemicals or abrasives. So it's safe to use on all materials. You don't have to worry about like, is this gonna damage whatever I'm cleaning? I know like that's a big concern for me because I like my stuff and I don't wanna damage it, and I just wanna keep it for as long as I can. Got your foam, got your premium brush, and you just start scrubbing in round circles. And I won't, you can clean your whole bag. I use this more for like spot cleaning. Just I know that this area gets dirty, so I'm only gonna clean the bottom. But if you have the time, or if you've got like a noticeable stain or on the top, you can go ahead and clean that. Get in all these little crevices here. And then you take your microfiber towel and you're just gonna kind of dab and twist and try to soak up as much of that solution as possible. And then you just let it air dry. Good to go. So I'm gonna get back to these Travis Scotts. So now that these have been cleaned, what you wanna do to bring back that buttery nap of the nubuck or suede is you take, while it's drying, you take a soft bristle brush that isn't wet, that's dry, and you're just gonna work the suede back and forth. And what you're doing is you're basically not allowing the nubuck or suede of the nap to kind of like mat down after it's had some solution or water applied to it. So you just want to continue this process. Give it a little back and forth all around. You let it air dry a little bit more, and then come back and you're just gonna work that nap back and forth. And you can already see, because the RTU foam doesn't oversaturate the nubuck or suede, you can see that it's already starting to dry. Whereas with our original cleaner, it's more of a deep clean process, and it's concentrated and you use a bowl of water, which is great. Like if you really need that deep clean, I would absolutely suggest using our original cleaner. If you just need a kind of like a quick and easy clean, the RTU foam is perfect. You want to be sure that you catch the nubuck and suede drying, and make sure you dry brush it so the nap comes back up. So you can see that this side here is pretty light and it's really soft, so it didn't mat down at all. This side's still drying, it's a little darker here, but I think I maybe hit that one after this. So you just kind of let it, just kind of work it back and forth, let it air dry a little bit longer, and then kind of continue the process. As I'm waiting for the nubuck to dry completely, I'll just take the microfiber towel, and there's little areas that can be cleaned better. I just did a quick like 5-minute clean, but if you have the time, you can take the RTU foam and apply it straight to the microfiber towel, just like that. And the microfiber is so slept on because it's such a great cleaning tool as well, especially on midsoles. So you just take the foam and you just apply it on the midsole, and you just want to apply some pressure. Not too much, but you just kind of want to apply slight pressure and just work your thumb over those areas that are stubborn. It's just little, those little things that you do, it's the little details that really makes the shoes pop. So I think it's definitely worth it if you've got the time. So much better. Let me hit the front a little bit more. So I'm just gonna continue to work this microfiber towel around the midsole. And yeah, don't get intimidated. Cleaning shoes or cleaning anything really just takes a bit of practice. It takes some time, some effort, and you'll have some success. So, all right, so yeah, this shoe's looking pretty good. I'm gonna touch it up a little bit more around the midsole. Yeah, don't get intimidated by, having the perfect technique or the know-how. It comes with practice, so the more you clean, you'll get better at it. I'm gonna finish this other side, show you the after, and yeah, thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more videos.